Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be demoing an app that I created. It's a food app which lets you find recipes and make them by the available ingredients or by a name. And if you don't want to make a recipe and you want to just donate some ingredients, you can just donate them by finding the nearest food bank. So let's open the web browser and let's search for my website first. Okay, and you have to go to the project section and then let's click on view project, and this is what you get. So this is a landing page. It will say welcome and it will give you what the app is made for, and then it says let's stop wasting food with Med. The app provides the perfect way to provide recipes with available ingredients or find the nearest food bank to give the food for a good cause. So you have three options here: find recipe by name, find recipe by available ingredients, or find the nearest food bank so you can donate. So let's try out the first option. Let's say I want to make a cake, so search cake. It'll give me all the recipes it found with cake. So let's say I want to make rock cakes. So these are the ingredients. They're given in bullet points. And if you click on view instructions, you get these instructions so you can make the recipe. If you want to close this, you can click on X and it will close it. So this is the by name, and by available ingredients you can type here what ingredients you have. So let's say I've got eggs and I've got bread, and let's search. So you get a few options here. Let's say I want to make this again. You get the ingredients here and you get the instructions over here, and to close it you click on X again, just like the previous one. And say you actually didn't have bread, so you can click close and you can add another field here. So let's say you've got rice, eggs and rice. Can you make anything with it? Yes, so you can make these. Again, same thing. And you can add new fields by clicking on plus. You can remove them by X. Okay, so let's go back. Say I want to find the nearest food bank. I can find it by my postcode, city, or a specific address, or by giving longitude and latitude or other methods. So let's say on first try with postcode, let's say select, and let me give a postcode. Okay, so it will search with my postcode for food banks near me, and it will give the distance from the postcode to this food bank. And you can find the needs of the food bank over here, and then you can find the contact number over here. So if you want to search by city name, by city, so you can click here and say select. So let's say Nottingham. Search, and again you get these. You get to search with longitude and latitude. I don't have a longitude and latitude to search for right now. An address, you can give your address to find out the nearest food bank to you. So let's go back. So this is the application. It's called MED. It stands for Make, Eat and Donate. To go back to my website, you can click on this logo and you'll go back to my website. Okay, so hope you liked that. If you did, please do like and subscribe. If you want to know how to make this project, just ask me in the comment section so I can make a tutorial on how to make this application. Thank you. Bye.
Please do like, share and subscribe.